This strategy can save you from big and unnecessary losses. In this video, I tested a strategy that I like, even with the live that I say in this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's quickly get to the strategy. Well, let's get to the point first. EMA, or exponential moving average, helps us to quickly identify the trend. We use two EMAs, EMA 9 and EMA 21. EMA 9 reacts very quickly to changes. EMA 21 shows a more general and calm trend. And smart money? This concept means following the flow of big money in the market. When smart money enters a stock or currency pair, it usually creates a big move. Combining these two with scalping can create short and profitable trades. Now I'll tell you how to find the best entry point by combining these Fibo plus smart money and EMA 9.21. Now how to buy and sell with this point that I said. Buying with Fibo and EMA confirmation. Well friends, let's move on to how to find a buying position. Recognizing the uptrend. First, we look at EMA 9 and EMA 21. When EMA 9 is above EMA 21, it is an uptrend and we look for a buying opportunity. Using Fibonacci, drag the Fibonacci tool to the last downtrend and identify the correction levels, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618. When the price bounces back to one of these levels, we are ready to enter. Smart money. Confirmation. High trading volume or fast price movement in the rebound is a confirmation to enter the buy. This means that the smart money flow is also in the direction of buying and the chances of success are higher. Trade entry and management. Entry is made when all conditions are in harmony. Bullish EMA plus price bounces back to Fibo plus volume confirmation. Stop loss near EMA 21 or lower Fibo level short and fast profit target because we are scalping. Sell with Fibo and EMA confirmation. Now let's move on to the sell position, recognizing a downtrend. When EMA 9 is below EMA 21, we have a downtrend and we are looking for a selling opportunity. Using Fibonacci, we draw Fibo on the last upward move and identify the correction levels, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618. When the price bounces back to one of the resistance levels, it is time to sell. Smart money. Confirmation. High selling volume or fast price movement is a sign that smart money is entering the sell. When all indicators are in harmony, the chances of a successful trade increase. Entry and management of the trade. Entry is made when the EMA is downwards, plus price returns to Fibo, plus volume confirmation. Stop loss is near the next Fibo level, or EMA 21 short profit target, because we have 1 minute scalping, exit strategy. Okay friends, we have reached one of the most important parts, how and when to exit the trade to keep our profit and control the loss. 1. With the help of EMA, always look at how EMA 9 behaves. In buying, when EMA 9 starts to turn down or the EMA 9 line approaches EMA 21, then exit signal. In selling, when EMA 9 moves up and approaches EMA 21, time to exit. 2. With the help of Fibonacci, Fibo levels act as possible reversal points. In buying, when the price reaches the next Fibo resistance level or bounces, it's time to exit. In selling, when the price reaches the next Fibo support level or bounces, exit. 3. Confirmation of smart money flow. Check the trading volume. Decreasing volume in the direction of the trade means there is a possibility of a price reversal. Exit sooner. Increasing volume against the trade means there is a reverse pressure. Exit sooner. 4. Setting a short stop loss and target. Scalping means fast trades with small and safe profits. Stop loss near EMA 21 or Fibo level short and reasonable target, not too greedy. 5. Golden tip. Always look for the triple harmony, EMA plus, Fibo plus, smart money. If any of them give a reversal signal, it is better to exit the trade. If you want to see exactly how this strategy works on a live chart, and I'll walk you through short-term trades step by step, go to our live trading now. I want to prove to you that EMA 9.21 really works. I bought a prop of 5,000 and I want to trade it for all of you. Let's see what happens. Gold on Thursday. You will see this video on Sunday, which means May 23rd, but today is May 21st, and I wanted to make an entry. On gold, it is approximately 8:30 New York time, and I wanted to make a live. The trend is exactly down, and when I saw the cross, it was a little late because the net was weakening, but I saw the direction and entered. Let's see what happens. I showed you all the TP clearly along with the stop in my phone's meta. If you ask why you didn't connect to the computer, I couldn't because there was a problem with it. I'll forgive you, but I'll do that too. The price went up a little when the TP hit me, but that doesn't mean it's back. The TP was one touch, but we have good moves today. Very quickly, within 7 minutes, the episode came and hit the full target, but for a moment I was unsure because I had set the price to risk-free. The price came very quickly with 2 candles. Risk-free touched me, unfortunately, and I had to accept the position that should have been closed at the full target. That is 2 targets. With a 2-minute break, risk-free became a certainty. Today is considered one of the worst days I have had. This is the trade. I only took 1 position in this video today because I was certain, but in the next videos I will try to take more and make good profits. I did this in a risk-free way. Advanced scalping tips with EMA, Fibo, and more confirmations 1. Combine multiple EMAs to confirm the trend. In addition to EMA 9 and 21, you can also add EMA 50 or EMA 100. This way you can see the short-term and medium-term trend together and avoid false signals. Example, if EMA 9 and 21 are bullish and EMA 50 is also high, then the trend is strong and the entry is more secure. 2. Use RSI to confirm the strength of the movement. RSI, Relative Strength Index, helps you see whether the market is overbought or oversold. Buy. When EMA and Fibo give a buy signal and RSI is below 70 implies stronger confirmation. Sell. When EMA and Fibo give a sell signal and RSI is above 30 implies stronger confirmation. 3. Using MACD to align with the trend. MACD can also confirm whether the short-term trend is consistent with the medium-term or not. MACD line crossing the signal in the direction of the trade leads to additional confirmation. 4. Advanced trading volume analysis. High volume alone is not enough. The volume ratio to previous candles is also important. Smart money entry when volume is suddenly high plus consistent trend leads to strong signal. 5. Advanced Fibo key levels. In addition to 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618, you can also use the levels 0.786 and 1.272 for more precise profit or stop targets. These levels will help you identify potential reversal points more accurately. 6. Managing multiple trades at the same time. If you open multiple trades at the same time, check each one separately with EMA, Fibo, and volume confirmation. Divide capital and observe separate stop losses to reduce risk and protect profits. 7. Golden tip of trading psychology. Even with all the confirmations, be patient and look for triple confirmation. Rush and enter before the EMA plus Fibo plus smart money plus RSI plus MA. CD coordination leads to common mistake. Risk and capital management in scalping. Using low leverage. You made the right choice to enter with low leverage. Low leverage allows, even if the market moves against you, losses are controlled and stress is reduced. Determining the risk percentage for each trade, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital in a trade. Example, if your account is $1,000, risk a maximum of $10 to $20 per trade, but for professional traders it can reach $500, but the risk is high. Exact stop loss, place it near EMA 21 or Fibo levels. This way, possible losses are greatly reduced and capital control is maintained, dividing capital for multiple trades. If you want to open multiple trades at the same time, divide the capital between the trades. Each trade should be managed independently so that the loss of one trade does not affect the others. The golden tip of trading psychology. Trade with low leverage and proper risk management without stress. Don't be greedy and only enter when the conditions of EMA plus Fibo plus smart money are in harmony. Well, friends, so far we have learned how to recognize the market trend with EMA 9.21 and Fibonacci, how smart money and volume confirmation help us make signals more reliable, how to buy and sell and exit the trade at sensitive points, and most importantly, how to control our capital and risk to have small and safe profits. The golden tip: when all these tools are in harmony with each other, the chances of 1-minute scalping success increase dramatically. And now I have a special offer for you. If you want to see all these methods on a live chart and see how I make short-term trades, be sure to join our live trading. The link is in the description. Don't miss the opportunity and enter now so you don't miss out on the practical practice of this strategy.